at the new job is often eventful and memorable. You have literally gone through the taxing job search process, perfecting your resume, days preparing for your interviews, trying to impress your new employer, and now that you have finally landed up to the job you wanted, it's time to live up to their high expectations. First impression always lasts. That is why it is important to make the right mark on the first day of your job, since you get to meet your new employers, managers, your co-workers, and trying to get to know the new rules and regulations of your company. A great first impression will help you to kickstart the professional journey at your new workplace. The first day of your work is basically foundational and sets the right tone for future interactions at work. Hence, it is very important to make the most of this opportunity. This means that you need to make utmost efforts to get prepared for the first day of your job. There are certain key points which you will have to remember to reduce your anxiety level. Hello everyone. My name is Dhanashri Mundada, Soft Skills Trainer at Clover Infotech. Today we'll be discussing about the do's and don'ts at the first day of your new workplace. 5 things you should never do on the first day of your work. Point number 1. Don't dress up unprofessionally. What you choose to wear on the first day of your job completely depends upon the type of work you are going to perform and the professional environment you will be getting into. Always make sure you choose the dress code which has been established by your organization. If your organization specifically mentions the formal business attire, you will have to choose your formal attire as per that category. If nothing has been specified, it is always advisable to wear the formal business attire for the first day at your workplace. Point number 2. Don't show up too early or too late. Get there at least 15 minutes prior. And if you haven't done your commute before, try to reach at least an hour before so that you can avoid the unexpected delays and still try to reach in time. Being late will make you appear unprofessional. Point number 3. Do not complain about your former employer or co-worker. Under no circumstances you should talk bad or negative about your previous job, company, employer or any co-worker. People will not love to hire a person who have a negative attitude. Rather, they would prefer a person who have that energetic and approachable attitude who will easily gel up in the wide variety of people and the existing team member. It's really a very small world. You never know your potential employer would know your former boss, and this generally happens whenever you are looking for a job in the same industry. Even if they are not friends with each other, they would be among the same business circle. Hence, it is always advisable not to talk anything negative about your former boss or your company. Point number 4. Don't be afraid to ask for help or ignore the offers to help. One of the most invaluable insights one can get at the beginning is to learn how the department operates from the perspective of your peers. It is always better to build that trust with your co-workers and your team members with that friendly and approachable attitude. Befriend your colleagues. Spend at least 10 minutes every day with them so that you can get to learn some things about each other. Always make sure you let them know that you are available for help. A little goodwill will definitely take you a long way. That positive energy and team spirit with every stakeholder of your organization will help you in the long run in your professional career. Point number 5. Don't keep checking your watch or phone. Need we say more? With the meetings lineup and introduction happening all around, a buzzing phone sound is really annoying. Reply to your incoming messages and calls during your break time. Your 100% presence at work is really important, especially on the first day of your new job. 5 things you should do on the first day of your work. Point number 1. Prepare an introduction. There might be a possibility you end up meeting the most important people in your organization on the first day. Hence, it will be really interesting to prepare a perfect pitch about introducing yourself. You can talk about the stories and events which will display and showcase your skills and your achievements in brief. You can also include some of your qualities that will display that you can contribute the best in organization growth. Also, talking about your hobbies will help you to connect with people on the common grounds. Point number 2. Put your phones on silent mode. It is the basic corporate etiquette that you are supposed to put your phones either on silent or vibrator mode so that it will not be disturbing to the other fellow team members in the office. Always take your personal calls separately and not on your working desk. Point number 3. Carry important document. It is essential to carry all the important documents if you have not submitted them on the date of joining. Keep a file ready with all the original documents, photocopies, passport size photograph and other essentials. Point number 4. Pay attention to your body language. It is not you say that counts. Even if you are not talking, people are communicating through their body language. Sit or stand upright. Do not show the signs of nervousness by yawning or tapping your legs. Whenever you are conversing with people, always lean forward so that you can show that you are interested in their discussion and it also showcases that you are attentive in what they are speaking. Always smile whenever you greet people. Have a firm and confident handshake. Point number 5. Be yourself. Think of the ways that will relax you so that you can project yourself as the person who you are. Show the best version of yourself. You want to keep that consistency throughout from the day 1 till day 31. Even if you feel those jitters to interact with the people in your organization, you can just imagine that they are your friends and you are just having a formal chat with everyone. Showcase that positive energy and confidence whenever you are talking with the stakeholders in your organization. These are general guidelines which will help you to ease up a bit at the new job at your workplace. The golden rule is don't try too hard to prove things and you will be alright. I hope you like this video. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Clover Infotech. Thank you so much.